navigate Cedarcrest Drive in the peaceful Northwood neighborhood just outside of Waynesboro, brought to you by your agent Anna. This immaculate 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the Wilson School District has just the perfect amount of living space with almost 1,400 square feet all in one level. With plenty of counter space and a gas stove, you'll enjoy cooking amazing meals for you and your guests. And from the back porch, you can enjoy the sunset in what I like to call a gardener's delight. You're going to love just sitting on the deck listening to the birds chirp while overlooking a blooming flower garden. Full of roses, spruces, daffodils, boxwood, snowdrops, holly, too many to name. It even has a spot to plant your vegetables that gets just the right amount of sunlight. So don't wait too long, come check it out this weekend or ask for a virtual tour.